My hair is getting way too long. I need a haircut. This is uncomfortable and it's starting to look stupid on camera and I can't control it. I could cover the sides with my glasses. Oh, I guess that doesn't look as bad. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. Hope you're all doing well. I think we can all agree that this whole COVID-19 pandemic is a pretty crappy situation. So to counter some of that negativity with something positive, I'm teaming up with Micro Center to try to give back. Right now, as I'm recording this video during self-isolation, safe in my own home, and as most of you are probably watching this safe in your homes, there are people working around the clock to try to keep society functioning during this time of crisis. Essential workers include first responders, healthcare workers, law enforcement, delivery drivers, grocery store workers, the list goes on. These are the people who are keeping us afloat in a time like this, and for that, Micro Center and I would like to personally say thank you for all that you do, and now we want to do something for you. Micro Center themselves is an essential business too, supplying computing equipment and peripherals in a time like this where we're making huge transitions to schooling and working from home. So I also want to give a special thanks to them for that and for choosing to work with me on this project. Since this is a PC related channel, we want to give back in the best way that we know how to, and that is going to be with a PC, of course. So what kind of PC is this going to be? It's going to be a gaming PC, so it's going to be able to stream, edit, game, all the good stuff. I don't want to give away too much, so I'll pull one part aside and show you, and you can be the judge for yourself. I'm just joking. It's just a power supply. Even though this is a nice one, the Seasonic Focus Gold, this is probably not going to get you the most excited, right? It's just a power supply. So I'm going to show you something else. This was just a joke. I will show you this. Hopefully this gets you more excited, huh? The rest of the build is pretty sweet too, but I'm going to save that and keep it a secret until it's showcased in a following video where I will go over the entire part list, show off its performance, and of course choose a winner. So the rules to enter are pretty simple, and this is basically it. There's going to be two parts. First, you have to be an essential worker. It doesn't matter what industry you work in, whether you're working like the hospital or if you work at a grocery store. You're an essential worker, so you qualify. Sorry to everyone else, but I hope you understand. They have done a lot for us, so let's give this one to them, okay? Second, I want you to record a video of yourself that is 30 seconds or less, and in that video, simply introduce yourself, tell us what your essential job is, and why you want to win the computer. And that's it. Besides those two simple rules, it's pretty open-ended on how you can approach this as long as those requirements are met. You can record using a phone or like a nicer camera. You can make it as raw as possible, or if you want to polish it up, feel free to. Be creative as you want, or be as blunt and straightforward if that's your thing. For the best chance to win, basically put yourself in my shoes and think to yourself, like, what would make me choose your video? Like, what makes it stand out? And I'll be accepting entries for 1 week from the posting of this video. So the morning of Sunday, May 10th is going to be the cutoff. Upload your clip to YouTube and then shoot a link over to noab.nerdonabudget.com. No, noab.nerdonabudget@gmail.com. And a winner will be chosen and their clip will actually be incorporated in the final video. I think it goes without saying, if you already have a really good computer and you're not in need of one, please don't enter and let it go to someone else who doesn't have one or are in dire need of an upgrade. I'm trusting people to be honest here, and with any giveaway, it's kind of hard to verify this, but I think at least the entry method being a video submission where you have to show your face, hopefully that'll help with weeding people out compared to something completely random and anonymous like Gleam, where people can cheat the system and not care since it's all anonymous anyways, and you never have to show your face or anything like that. So yeah, hopefully this keeps people more honest. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video though. I'm trying to keep it nice, short, and sweet. I hope I get a lot of entries. Good luck to everyone who is entering. Stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all in the comments as well as in the next video. Bye.